Do you know that coconut crabs are the largest land-dwelling arthropods on the planet? Scientifically known as the Birgus latro, these fascinating creatures can weigh up to 9 pounds and stretch over 3 feet from leg to leg. Their name comes from their impressive ability to climb coconut trees and crack open the tough shells with their powerful claws. But that's not all. These crabs have an astonishing sense of smell, allowing them to detect food from miles away. Their diet isn't limited to coconuts. They also enjoy fruits, nuts, and even small animals. Coconut crabs are incredibly strong, capable of lifting objects up to 66 pounds, and they can live over 60 years. Plus, they have a unique defense mechanism. If threatened, they can release a foul-smelling liquid to deter predators. How about you? Have you ever seen a coconut crab before? Leave a comment below with your suggestions for the next animal we should feature on our next video. Thank you.